Sitaw. Daming saging. Natumba na lang. These are sitaw. Makakuha lang ako ng lupa na maganda na kaya ng budget. Magpa-farming din ako for consumption. Guys, if you can remember on my previous vlogs, I featured this area with different sections of vegetables, but right now it's like that. It's dried, it's empty of vegetables, and the workers left already, as per the only guy remaining here. Everybody left. And there are a lot of mangoes. Oh. Wow. Banana trees. Wow. Uy, bilis na tanggal. Sobra namang dami, hindi ko naman makauubos. It's just falling off from the tree. Season of mango now. Oh wow, I like your color. Oh. I'll take you. Too much mango. I don't know if... Oh. Ang sarap. Ang bango. Hello birdies. So, most of the workers left this farm. Oh, sad. Maybe they found another employer. Oh, papaya. But I'm not so fond of papaya. And I don't know what to do with that. Because I do not cook inside my room, because it's not allowed in the first place, because it's not safe. How many mangoes? Oh man, I feel sad that this used to be a very, very nice farm. And now it's gone. Bananas still here and mango trees, but those, they burned it. Before there were mints. Sad. Oh, what's wrong? The land, the soil is rich of minerals and vitamins, but if there are no caretaker, it's gonna be like this. Dried already. spring onions. Oh, look at the bell peppers. It's dead. Sarap sana to sa Pinas. Kilaw ano. Madalas namin dito ulam eh. Isang sardinas. Tapos lalagyan ng papaya para madami makakain. Dami oh. Magkano kaya ito? Bumili na ako 15 real. Swerte yung birds dito. Daming pwedeng kainin. Ayun, papaya. Ayun, nag-iisang caretaker. Tayo dito yung mga opo, nasa ano lang. Kakatuwa, may farm ano. Ikot-ikot ka lang. Dapat ngayon pa lang taniman na ng mangga pala yun. Oh, this is my first time to come in this section. Papayas are everywhere. This is what we call talisay. It's a good tree to give shades. Oh, fati alugbati. Fati alugbati. One of my favorites. One of my favorite vegetables, especially with the munggo. Ang daming chili. Di ba sa Philippines umabot ng 1,000 pesos per kilo. Guys, this is Baish, Saudi Arabia. Parang nasa Cavite lang. Sarap. Sana magkaroon ng lupa. Wala tayong budget guys. Milyon na ang lupa ngayon. Sayang lang yun oh. Dahil mangga. Pero dito talaga lang ano, nasarapan. Diyan ako nag-pictorial o sa roundabout ng ng base, tapos may ano. Yan. Okay, I'll drop by for 1 minute and then go. Okay, bye. Dito ako nag-pictorial. Kahit mag-isa lang ako. Kaso lang nung natumba ang tripod ko, ayun, nasira. Yan. So on day off, it's all up to you how are you going to spend your deserved day off or rest day. Just like that, some are into biking, some are sleeping, some are strolling around, some go to the beach. Me, I go to the farm. It's up to you guys how you want to refresh yourself and get ready for another upcoming work week. It's a busy week. So if you don't do it, if you prefer to go, not to go out, it's up to you. But sometimes myself, I have to go out. I need to go out. I want to see green trees, beach, something that can relax my eyes, my mind. Okay. But there are times also that I just wanted to be in my room the whole day. But the more I become lazy if I don't get up and get out of the bed. That's why in the morning I convince myself hardly to get up and move before the day ends, because for me it's a productive day off for me if I go out and refresh my mind and eyes. So I'm reaching my camp. No camera, so bye.